Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a thumbnail for Behance. So first and foremost, you just have to go to your Behance and you must know also the Behance thumbnail requirements before doing that. So what is the Behance requirement? I'm going to show you what it looks like. So in order for you to create a Behance thumbnail, I'm going to show you the requirements. So you just have to follow this one right here, and I'm going to introduce to you Canva as your editing tool. Don't worry, Canva is for free. Create an account, tap create a design, and just follow the image or the size. So it's 1400 times 1000 px. Create a design. And then here you can go to design and then look for that specific template or design that you want to use for your thumbnail for your Behance. So there are tons of templates and designs here, but some of these designs are not for free. So I strongly suggest for you to upgrade your plan into Pro so that you can use these features and these templates and designs. So let's just say I want to use this one. So I will just replace this with my own picture, own project or images. To do that, I need to upload my images. So make sure that you have your images from your computer. Drag it to each of this picture right here. Feel free to adjust and then resize everything. So these are my works. You can also add a video if you wanted to, but we will be creating thumbnails, so I have to put them all in one. And then you have to make sure that it's okay. I mean, it's good for the clients. Now I need to change the background color. I'm going to add a text right here. So for my text, I can change the font later. So I'm going to add Alice a thumbnail collection. But of course, it depends on your project. Let's just say if it's a video, then you can change that. It depends on your project right here. So for me, it's my thumbnail collection. So I have to add Alice a thumbnail collection. I have to put it in this part or section, change the font style, add some effects, change the color, font color, and everything. You can add elements. Everything is up to you. Once done, you can now tap on the share button above and then tap on download. Make sure it's PNG or JPEG. Now you can go back to your Behance project. So in order for you to change it or add some thumbnail, just tap on your project, go to settings, and then here you have to tap on edit cover and then upload that picture or thumbnail that you have created using your Canva. You can just drag and place it to the right position and then done. So if you go back to your Behance profile and you refresh, then you will see that you have changed your thumbnail or the thumbnail of your project. So that's how easy it is to create a thumbnail for Behance project. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.